down here. It's $9.99 right here. That's gay, man. You gotta change that.
What?
Hello? Are you taking a video?
Your face.
Oh, your face.
Your mom's face.
Your face. Believe it.
You know it.
Ryan, it's gonna fall. See, look at Bomb. Bomberman was so Nintendo 64.
She's gonna steal all the games. It's not like you have a PS2.
We have trouble. We have trouble. He doesn't get Superman.
Because you made me watch it like 6 times in a row.
Looks like he's not gonna fit in.
You know it.
Believe it.
We're gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it.
We're gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it tonight. So
You know it. Believe it.
or not.